khona impahla engifuna ukuqeda yona yeso. Ngiyahalela ukuqeda le mpahla le. Yabo le mpahla le ekuthiwa i-all or nothing mentality. Yayazi leyo mpahla le ethi I rather be perfect than to try. Yabo trying is not enough. I have to do it perfectly. Yabo I rather be fit ukuthi ngiye gymini than to do ama-sets angaphelele. I rather not save at all than to save u50 rand. I rather do it perfectly than to try. Yabo so all or nothing mentality le. Lo mentality is very dangerous because mawuhlanganisa labo peace bakho aba imperfect uyazi ukuthi kuphuma lento perfect othi wena ulinde yona and ile self le ekuthiwa yini old self isuke ifuna ukuthi ungaqhubeki nokwenza into progressive empilweni yakho yabo so biyibiza nge all or nothing mentality ukuthi hayi ngcono ukwenze konke kuphelele nje yabo ikwenza ukuthi ungaqali ngisho izinto hayi ngizoqala mase sekunje ngoba kusekhona okunje yabo ekuvele kugcineni lapho ugcina ungaqalanga at all yabo it's better than nothing mfethu kodwa ke ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungezeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunombani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona buka ukuthi dangerous kangakanani i-all or nothing mentality yabo mangabe ukuthi awukho perfect vele senama flaws amaningi empilweni yakho kumele ukuthi udile nawo and vele wabuka wonke vele ubone ukuthi we ngoqeda nini hayi vele zilimeze etsheni kanti one step at a time angithi one step at a time. A journey of 1,000 miles begin with only one step. Muqala ulungisa le kagwayi qala. Sizongena kule investment and savings. Siqala kule kagwayi qala. Sikhathe yona off. Ngiyajuluka la kwazi sakade ngijima mina. Sibuye ke size kule mhlambe katshwala. Silungise yona, sibuye size vele obvious masukhathe leyo. Mhlawumbe uthi okay uthi ngikhathe nele amantombazane ke mawumjida mhlawumbe mawuyintombazane ke ngowesifazane uthi ngikhathe leyo kuba buying holic yabo kuba nama buying instinct khathe yona obvious vele masukhathe lezo okay kuyakwazi ukuthi kuqale ngala ka savings and investment ya create habit qala nje noma ungaseva lo 50 rand noma ungaseva lo 10 rand ngisho ishumi ke by the way ngoba into ebalekile la ucreate ihabit yabo ufocusa kakhulu kulento yokucreate ihabit yokwenza lokho awufocus kulento ekuthiwa yini iquantity yabo so when ufocusa kwiquality so formulate ihabit ngisho ngaseva ishumi it's fine kuzojwayela nje ngithi kunento ekuthiwa ama neuro pathways azo develop ukuthi wena uhlezi wenza kanje and then uzoba amazed ukuthi how yazi sengine 365 rand mhlawumbe yabo noma sengina whatever amount there is there because anyway ngisho ngathi uqala ngo100 rand uyakwenza lokho yabo manje 1200 loyo mhlawumbe ngonyaka yabo 100 rand ubeka 1200 and khona umuntu ongenawo 1200 manje uyawufuna yes mtshele kuba ibeka nga100 ngithi wayi10 ucabanga ukuthi kumele azabeka u2000 ukuze kucaca ukuthi khonto ayenza all or nothing mentality lokho kuncane okulungile kona ngobani udevelopani ihabit yabo ngisho kuthiwa kumele uyo exercise ungasho ukuthi ufuna ukuyoshaya ama-hour laphana exerciseni ngisho ungafika ushaye lo 5 minutes yabo ngoba i-commitment device naleyo nto ukuthi ufike wenze nje uthi ngiyenza uyamotivateka kunokuthi uthi wena ngifuna ukwenza nje kube perfect konke ngeke ukuze wenzeke kunalokho nje wena uzoba kwi analysis paralysis awenzi lutho but you analyze ukuthi lilokhu kumele kulunge ilokhu kumele kulunge ilokhu kumele kulunge eventually akukho ngisho kugodwa uzokwenza yabo all or nothing mentality it's better than nothing at all yabo journey of 1,000 miles begin with only one step yabo ngishabe kuthiwa liyana ngishabe kuthiwa linjani okunokuthi ungenzi lutho thola indawo nje mhlawumbe uyajima thola indawo lapho nje kuvrand wakho do something lapho khona izojwayela ngoba it's all about ukudevelopa the neural pathways. Nansi enye into futhi kumele ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi ukwenza ukuthi ustick kuleyo nto leyo yokwenza leyo habit right for wena ukuthi kube khona something yenze be enjoyable, yabo, yenze be enjoyable. Uthola ukuthi lapho mawulokhunja mhlambe mawujima ulalela incwadi oyithandayo noma ulalela something oyithanda, then when you will crave for leyo nto kodwa izosebenza as a commitment device lento oyilalelayo ukuthi uhambe uyojima. Noma mhlambe uyasave wakhe nje spreadsheet, yabo, uthi njalo ngenyanga ngiyawubeka lo 100 ngiyawubeka lo 500, yabo. It will be painful ukubona isikhala, so when I will strive ukuthi zonke lezi space kufuneka igcwale because angifuni ukumisa any space la, yabo. So that is also a commitment device. Ngishabe kuthiwa ke awusahlangananga ke lo 500, but at least ke ngizobeka lo 250 ngoba ni ubalekela lento ka all or nothing ukuthi at least let me do something than to do nothing. Angijazi ukuthi you better be late than never come, yabo. Ukuthi ayiwe sengilate kakhulu ngcono vele ngidisi, which one is better, yabo? So it's just a mindset nje and a bad mentality leyo, that of your old self, le engasave, le engajim, le engenzi lutho, yabo. Ngeke vele uzukwenza konke kanye kanye. Even abantu aba very lokhungani, aba very disciplined, nabo khonto ezibahlulayo abasasebenza kuzona, yabo. Bubanike wena ke, yabo, bubanike, but it will be a game mfethu. How, yabo, even wena kuboosteka lento kuthiwa i-ego yakho. I-ego isebenza to achieve, yabo. Later I can achieve this, yabo, I can achieve this. Yabo masikwenzile lokho okunye automatically udlulela kokunye. Sidevelopekile neural pathway yalapha. Automatically usudlulela kokunye. Now sengiyolungisa lokho. Ngoba ingqondo isebenza kanje. Ifuna ukupreserve energy ngokuthi idevelop i-habits. So preserve energy. Because every time you are faced with something, ingqondo yakho is calculating, iyazama yazi ukuthi ithatheni ihlanganise nani, yabo. Because it's still new, this thing is still new. But once yakujwayela, then it's automatical and then energy releaseka for you to do other stuffs, yabo. So that is the power ke yani yokudevelopa i-habit, yabo. Because vele mawusaqala kuba umthwalo vele, but kumele ukuthi wakhe the commitment device ozokwenza ukuthi ube committed ukuthi uyakwenza lokho, yabo. And futhi kube khona into ekukhumbuzayo, yabo, ngaba isikhathi, ngabe ukuthi i-routine, after this I do this, noma uyibekele ukuthi after ngenze lokhu engingakuthandi ngizokwenza lokhu engikuthandayo. That is also a commitment device, yabo. But into enza ukuthi umuntu angabi committed ekwenzeni into lezo msiza ilento ukuthi ama repercussions alapho uwabona later, akawaboni ngalesi sikhathi sayenza leyo nto. Njengokudla nje izinto eza processed food, sugar products, unhealthy fats and all of those things, ama repercussions alapho uwaboni manje, uwabona later on, and then you wish ukuthi ngabe ulalelile, yabo. Now you wish, and isikhathi lapha sisuke singesahlela, and how you wish now ukube you did something ngesikhathi uqala ukusebenza in terms of saving and investing. But buka now mhlambe awunakho ongakukhomba mhlambe okuyini okuyinto ephathekayo. Ungangitsheli ngemali, mawunemali nje ustill uyaphuwa nje, just a matter of time ukuthi ukubone lokho. Khuluma ngama assets mina that you are owning, whether it's financial assets or real like estates or real assets, yabo. Mawusangitshela ukuthi uyahola 50,000, leyo nto la ngikuthatha serious mina. Usangitshela ngemali awungitsheli ngama assets, yabo. Leyo nto leyo kungakhuluma kanye laba abapowerful, lo 50,000 lo holayo uphenduka ube yishumi manje, yabo. Juthu abantu abathile nje abacontrol izinto, but yeah, it's financial education ke, that's one. But nje what I'm saying all in all ukuthi do something now, ngoba in 10 years to come vele uzobona ukuthi ukube ngangibeka 100 rand 10 years 100 rand 10 years per month ube 100 rand unamalini lapho compared to ungabi nalutho at all. Asikho isikhathi la ungayidingi khona lo mali, uzohleza uyidinga ngisho ukuthi ibincane kangakanani, wakuyimanje mhlawumbe ayikho lo mali leyo, yabo.